Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to integrate TikTok Pixel with your Shopify store using the Infinite Facebook and TikTok Pixel app. So let's get started. Before setting up this app, make sure you have signed up in Business TikTok. You can see I already have created my account here. Now you have to enable the app in your theme editor. So click on Activate extension. Turn it on and then click on Save. Now close this tab and come back to the app. You can see the app is activated because the banner is removed from here. Now you have to click on Add TikTok Pixel. Let's fill out this required information now. Here you have to write your TikTok Pixel name. You can write any name that you want. Now let's move to the TikTok Business Center to get the remaining details like the Pixel ID, access token, test event code, etc. In TikTok Business Center, you have to click on Assets and then on Advertiser Accounts. Then you have to click on Ads Manager. In TikTok Ads Manager, you have to click on Tools and then on Events. In it, you can see all your created pixels, and if you don't want to go with them, you can create a new pixel by clicking on Connect Data Source. Right now, I'm creating a new TikTok pixel. Clicking on Web, then Next. You can skip this step. Here you have to select Manual Setup, then Next. Here you have to select this option and then click on Next. Here you have to write your pixel name. Click on Create. Here you have to click on Next. Turn this option on, then Next, Next, Next. Again click on Next. And then click on Finish. You can see our TikTok pixel has been created. Now let's open it. Here you will get the dataset ID, so you have to copy this ID and then paste it over here into the app. In the target area, you can select any option according to your requirements. I'm selecting the entire store. Here you have to paste the TikTok access token that you will get in Events Manager settings. Scroll down. Here you will see Events API. Down there you will see the option Generate Access Token. You have to click on it. Copy this token and then paste it over here into the app. Here you have to paste the test event code that you will get in test event section. Copy this code and then paste it over here into the ad. Use this if you need to test the server side events, and then you have to remove this code after testing. Now you have to click on Copy and then on Customer Events. Here you have to create a custom pixel, so you have to click on Add Custom Pixel. Write your pixel name here. Click on Permission and select Not Required from here. Now remove this 7-line code and paste the code that you copied. Then click on Save and then on Connect. Now come back to the app and click on I have done this above and then on Save. You can see our TikTok pixel has been created now. Let's visit the online store and perform activities there. Let's open any product now. Make sure you install this extension TikTok Pixel Helper. You can see the activities that I performed, including the page view content, are being tracked here. So you have to install this extension TikTok Pixel Helper for the browser side events. Now let's perform a dummy purchase. Now let's check out whether the purchase event has been tracked or not. You can see the purchase event has been tracked here as well. So you have to install this TikTok Pixel Helper extension. Now let's check out the events in the test event section. You can see all the activities that I performed in my online store are being tracked here as well. Now let's check out the events in the app analytics. I already have opened it. You can see the events that I performed in my online store are being tracked here as well. So here you can exclusively view the statistics for server side events. Now let's remove the test event code. Remember, you have to remove this code after testing. The best thing about our app is that it is compatible with Shopify checkout extensibility, that is Shopify's recent update. So this was all about Infinite TikTok Pixel. I hope after watching this video you will have a clear idea of how to set up this app and how it works. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thanks for watching this video.